nobody. I have not connected on this beautiful world of YouTube in such a long time. Welcome to Lela Live Los Angeles, and I am live today. It's been 2 seconds and a heartbeat since I've been on here, but I have some good things to share, and it's all about your teeth. Let me tell you something. I found an amazing toothpaste, actually 2 different types of toothpastes that are absolutely good for you. The first one would be a little bit like out of the ordinary, and when I seen the box, I said, SeaMoss. You gotta be kidding, SeaMoss toothpaste. So I picked it up and I tried it like 4 weeks ago, and I want everyone to see this. And this is from Bajen, and it is an amazing toothpaste because, you know, this is what it looks like. You open up the box, and let me turn this around. It looks just like SeaMoss. As a matter of fact, it almost has the consistency of SeaMoss, but it's smooth. You know, you put it on your toothbrush and you brush your teeth, and you're like, wow, this foams up. It feels good. My teeth are nice and clean and pearly white. You know, so I have been using this and I'm impressed. So I will show this box again, and it's basically organic oral care SeaMoss toothpaste. Look at that. I think you can pick it up on Amazon, you know, via them delivering it to you, or you can go to your local health food store and they should carry this. I'm in Los Angeles, so we have a lot to choose from. But listen, for all you SeaMoss lovers, oh my God, this is hot, meaning good for your teeth, like amazing. The other toothpaste that I have is a Neem toothpaste. I've been using this for about maybe a year, and I like it. So you have choices. You have the Neem, which everyone, well, not everyone knows about Neem. Neem is used for many athletic, essential treatments for your skin, for your body, for your hair, and now for your teeth. So between this and also SeaMoss, you got 2 ways to go. So I'm excited, and hey, it's all about your teeth. And I send so much love and peace and happiness to you. Take care of those teeth, folks. Peace and hair grease. And listen, it's all about Lela Live, LA. Yes, I'm so happy to be back.